Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Coughlin. Now, today I'd like to show you how to use the Seasonax tool to choose a great time for a seasonal trade in a German company, the world famous sportswear company called Adidas. Now, you can look for seasonal opportunities and very simply just choose your instrument, type it in, or choose from the drop down list, or use the screener. Once you've chosen your instrument, in this instance, we've chosen Adidas, very easy to do. You then, first of all, use the D-Trend button. That makes it easier to recognize true seasonal patterns. And then visually, just look at an area that looks promising. And we can see, this rise from the end of March into April looks a very promising time. So let's just choose 22nd of March through to April 30th. And look at that. We can see that, like, over the last 15 years, that Adidas has gained 80% of the time. It's made an average 6.85% return and an annualized return of over 86%. So really an impressive seasonal pattern that has repeated itself over and over again. You can also look, how well did that do over 22 years? You can see over 22 years, it's just as strong. How did it do over the last 10 years? It's been very strong in the last 10 years. So don't forget, HYCM clients get access to the Seasonax product in order to analyse over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. There's a whole range of instruments you can search in a very similar way to this. So please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Now, major trade risks. If any interest rates are seen to be rising too fast, particularly from the ECB, that could cause a broad sell-off in stocks in the near term. Also, any bad news for Adidas as an individual company could also weaken the individual stock around this time.